Welcome to the Leaning Tower of Data Analysis, an unique and powerful framework designed to navigate you through the landscape of data. Think of it as an eight-story building, which each floor represents a crucial step in the data analysis. The ground floor, describe and clean the dataset. Here, we'll learn how to examine our data closely and identify missing values. Cleaning our dataset creates a solid foundation for all subsequent analyses. Moving up to the second floor, we focus on summarizing our data using statistical measures. Here, we calculate means, medians, quantiles, and more. These summaries provide a snapshot of our data's characteristics at a glance. On the third floor, we delve into the distribution of our data and compare different subsets. This level helps us understand the range and the common patterns within our data. The fourth floor is dedicated to trend analysis. Here we spot and interpret trends over time. Knowing the direction in which things are heading can be as vital as knowing where they currently stand. As we ascend to the fifth floor, our analysis deepens. We start by identifying deviations, detecting outliers that don't follow the expected pattern. Next, we explore correlations, asking how do different variables interact with each other. Finally, we use part-to-whole analysis to see how individual pieces contribute to the bigger picture. The sixth floor introduces us to the world of machine learning, where we focus on classification. Here, we use algorithms to categorize data into different groups. On the seventh floor, we tailor our analysis to specific industries or verticals. This is where we speak the dialect of particular sectors. Finally, at the top of the tower, we focus on storytelling. This is where all our analyses come together. We'll learn to create a draft presentation to convey what we've found and why it matters. Cool. Now, are you ready to climb this tower and place the flag at the top? Let's go.